What's up, guys? Today Chad and I are out here really excited to go around and show you this beautiful 1970 GTX. Numbers matching car, beautiful paint, beautiful interior, just one hell of a Mopar muscle car.
Yeah, if you guys are a purist, you'll absolutely love this original violet metallic 1970 GTX, powered by its original numbers matching 440, 375 horsepower, factory air grabber, and numbers matching 727 heavy duty transmission. So this car is just fantastic. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out all the pictures of the VIN on the motor, transmission, undercarriage. And it's a rust-free car too, Dalton. The undercarriage is 100% rust-free original metal as far as I can tell. And just a fantastic show quality car.
And something to kind of talk to that you kind of skipped over, but Mopar and Dodge, they called Plum Crazy Purple, you know, by two different names. Is that correct?
Plymouth and Dodge, yep.
Yeah.
So Violet Metallic was is what Plymouth called it. Plum Crazy Purple is what Dodge called it. Same color. Just a fantastic, again guys, you've got to come and see this car in person. Sit behind the wheel yourself to just really appreciate the value and the condition of this gorgeous GTX. As Dalton goes ahead and we check the miles on it 2D. As he goes ahead and opens up the hood from the inside, it does have an inside hood release. We're gonna go through and talk to you about the original miles on this car.
So 50,195.
So 50,195 original miles. So most of the interior on this car is original. So we point out some things on the website. You have to read through the description, but a lot of the interior is original on this car. Now, it also is an original violet metallic car. We do have the fender tag. It's all painted and detailed. We just don't have it sitting on there. We didn't want it stolen. It's so important, guys. So very well documented car. Fantastic under the hood. When they did do the one repaint years ago, they did a spectacular job inside the door jambs, trunk floor, firewall, inner fenders, everything. Also, Dalton, to point out, it's got the stock manifold. No one's went ahead and put headers. No one's ever hot rodded this car to my knowledge. It's always been kind of a show quality, low mileage survivor.
Jack air grabber, yeah, it works awesome. That's pretty cool to see.
This car is so cool, guys. Can't wait to drive it. Once we get back from our driving video, guys, we're going to pull it up, put it back on the hoist, and power wash it one more time. Make sure we get all the salt off of it. But I know a lot of our customers want to see how these cars run and drive down the road and perform. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And on these original low mileage cars, guys, you just can't beat the gaps on them. So our hood gap is absolutely perfect from front to back. Across the top of the hood, top of the fender, it's excellent as well. Air grabber works perfect. As we look down in here, I mean, he's got the factory air cleaner. I mean, everything is just stock and fantastic. You can leave it up, that's all right. As far as our driver's side hood gap, just as nice as the passenger. Nice and even across the top of the hood and the top of the fender. The grille is amazing. Front bumper's all been re-chromed as far as I can tell. That's in excellent shape as well.
This is a show quality car, bumper to bumper.
Oh yeah. Now, this car is so authentic and nice. It's got the original dog dish hubcaps with the steel painted wheels. So I'm gonna leave it on here like this for now. For the purist, my personal preference would be just use these tires, keep the original wheels in a box, and put some torque thrust or something else on it. That's just my opinion, but and that's probably what I'll do if I still have this car in a couple months come spring. As far as our gap across here, across the top of the hood, cowl, door is excellent. anywhere you look at this paint, I mean, it came in absolutely beautiful, but we did give it just a light buff polish on it, wax, and the paint is just spectacular. And our door gap is really nice, top to bottom. A little paint blemish right here, very small. No matter how nice something is, nothing stays perfect forever, Dalt.
No, it does not.
As far as our vinyl top is in excellent shape, and it is the original vinyl top. And check out the clarity of the rear window. The glass is beautiful, the rear package tray is original, and that's in excellent shape as well. Top of the back seat, those are all original, that's great. Go ahead and rev it up just a little bit, Dalt. It's got the really nice chrome tailpipe extensions. The back of the car is gorgeous. I mean, the tail light area is perfect. The back chrome here is excellent as well. Well, when me and Dalton took this out for its maiden voyage here about a couple days ago, we were super impressed with the power that this thing had. One finger on the wheel is just as fast as you can go with this car. Suspension was in fantastic condition as well. Now this is what I'm talking about, guys. As we open up the door, and the door opens with ease and shuts awesome also. Check out the restoration quality here with the no overspray on any of the latch systems. Original door panels, dash, interior. Just a great color combination, the purple and white. Headliner's in excellent shape, dome light works. As we come in here, during the repaint, everything was taken apart. There's no tape line there's no tape line here at all in the door jamb area. The dash pad is perfect. The carpet's original, guys. You have just a little fuzziness in the original 50,000 mile carpet. Same thing with the seat covers. Check that out. Just in great shape, but they're all original. Same with the seat backs. It's got the GTX floor mat, and as we come in here in the inner door area, paint and body is beautiful in there as well. The heater works perfect. We got the air grabber right here, and that works excellent as well. And shuts right up there. Rear view mirrors nice and tight, original rear view mirror. Above the visors are tight, no holes, no mouse holes ever. Steering wheel looks absolutely brand new still. I mean, it's just how nice this car is. 50,000 original mile car. Temperature gauge, gas gauge, oil pressure, and alternator, all the factory gauges work properly. It's carrying 60 pounds of oil pressure, and it's running about 165. It's got the Tic-Toc-Tac. The clock does not work, but the factory tack works excellent, and we're idling right around 1,000 RPM right now. Seats are both in excellent shape. It's got the overhead seat belts and the proper holders for them. But as we look up and down the sides, guys, show quality finish. As I mentioned earlier, you really need to see this car in person. Come drive it, check it out, and you're gonna buy it. As far as our gap on the top of the trunk lid, that's in excellent shape. Between the trunk lid and the back window is perfect as well. The Restore did this properly as well too. So many people will try to fill that in for some reason. Original vinyl top, shows just a little bit of wear. You see right along here. No bubbles or nothing like that there, but you can just see that it's 60 years old. Other than that, that's all in nice shape. Chrome is in excellent shape there as well. Behind the wheel looks nice. There's one maybe tiny little paint chip right there. As far as our front hood gap, bottom of the fender is excellent. Front hood to door to cowl is all in excellent shape as well. And the wheels are all clear coated as well. They're in great shape. When they did the restoration, they went ahead and put new rubbers around the original door handles. Original door handles are excellent. Door rubbers are nice and pliable. Armrest pad is original. There's one little tiny nick in the paint there. Original handles, you can see that that has just a little pitting on the original handles here, and also the original argent on that. Looks good for being 56 years old, but there's a few scratches on that as well. As we get in here on the driver's side, as you can see here, there's no wear really at all on the cord getting in and out. Whoever drove this that 50,000 miles, I mean, treated it like it was its baby. I mean, they took very, very good care of it. Dome lights all work here on both sides. I'll hand this over to you, D. Original radio here, guys, and it does turn on. We talked about this a little bit. It's got an aftermarket one. We need the key there. Yeah, Leslie, we need the key to unlock it. But it's got an aftermarket CD player in there. And then just check out how nice the freaking dash is.
That's beautiful.
And the console is a couple little tiny little paint chips in the original console, guys, and that's it. Now, I talked about the dash a little bit. Somebody had maybe some aftermarket thing on the very top of this dash, so it's got a couple little dimples right here on that dash. Other than that, the rest of the dash original is perfect. I'm guessing they had, it's hard to say what they had, there's something on it.
CB radio, Smokey and the Bandit.
I doubt it. So we talked about our idle. Once I put it down in gear, guys, we're idling at 800 RPM. So it's idling at 800. Wipers are in working order. We already used the horn, the radio works, air grabber works. It's got power steering, one finger on the steering wheel. I mean, the inside of this car is just truly a time capsule.
Yeah, it is. I mean, this is a car that should win any show you take it to, really.
We got to keep in mind temperature's about 5 degrees here in Iowa, so it might spit and sputter a little bit if we get on it. It needs to be warmed up probably, but we'll check it out.
Holy mackerel.
Posi rear end.
Yep.
A couple black marks left right there, and this car absolutely flies. 440, 375 horse, and it'll do anything you want it to do, guys. I hate to say it, the other day we had it well over 100 miles.
Yeah, 120, I think.
Just cruising.
Nuts. Yeah, one hand on the wheel.
Here's a good thing, brakes are perfect. One finger on the wheel. We're gonna kick it down here. It roasts the tires right there. 100, just like that.
Wow.
Here's our brakes.
That's absolutely crazy.
100 to 30, just like that. No pull, left or right. We want to go ahead, ease into it a little bit. Just want to ease into a nice shift. 45, 50. It's hard for me to ease into it.
I know. You just can't do it, can you?
No, I can't. It throws you back in your seat at 75. Shifts right up to third.
That's impressive.
Guys, this car is not only a super rare color combination, a rare 50,000 mile survivor, but this is one badass, fast muscle car.
Yeah, all numbers matching also. Just, wow. Air driver works. Guys, you gotta check this thing out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. I mean, this car checks all the boxes.
Yeah, it's the best of everything, guys.
It really is. Give us a call, 641-816-3145.